Good morning and welcome back to Get a Life. We're actually in Surat Thani today. This is the end of our train ride all the way from Bangkok in 2 stages. So normally this is just a sort of staging point for guys to go over to Samui. So people sort of arrive here and then they just get straight on a boat and leg it. So we're going to stay for a couple of days and see what it's like and show you around, see if it's worth it to stay for more than one night. So yeah, hang around and we'll see how we go. Cheers. The food has arrived. We're here in Surat Thani at a little fried egg place that does egg, pork, sausage and ham. Now this is like prawn toast, but it's got pork mince on it, so it's deep fried pork toast, so we give that a crack. We just had a bit of a mix up with our coffee order. I just wanted iced coffee and they brought out a hot one and then brought out another hot one because they thought there was something else in a big pot of tea, but that's alright, we'll get it sorted and I'll get stuck into this and I'll let you know what it's like. Rightio. So breakfast is done, they were really nice. Chinese sort of style. Now we've got to find the bike. Handy breakfast, hotel's just there, so. But yeah, this whole area here, it's got sort of a really old vibe, man. Everything looks old. So yeah, we'll have a bit of a walk around and we've got about a few hundred metres to go before we get this bike, so we'll have a bit of a look. Yeah, so here's some of this old architecture in these sort of back streets. For 1.5 sort of, we're a street and a bit off the waterfront here, and it looks fairly industrial. Little ladies here, got a little food stall, sort of crop, and yeah, it's massive Chinese influence we've seen. So some morning food sellers. And the food here, man, the local food, and it's cheap, super cheap. Oh, and there's a market down the end of the street, so it's going to get a bit chaotic by the looks of things. So we'll just have a little look over. Oop, if I don't get run over. Yeah, just over here, it's just like the shop fronts are just warehouses. So yeah, a bit strange. More old school housing here. It's like the land that time stood still in Thailand. Here's these little dudes. So yeah, getting to like a sort of main square area, and that's where the market is, straight ahead. And then at the end of the road here, that's the overnight boats there, so the water's right there. And we're still going straight here, baby? Okie dokie. Alright, we're in the market. Those sweet corn cobs were friggin' massive. There's some fishies. Yeah, this is proper local market, man. This isn't like some fancy wet market. This is just bring what you brung and sell it on the street. Oh, sorry boss, not for us. Oh. These fishies are still alive. Oh, they're like bloody bull routes. Things are stinger. Alright, we'll keep going. Girls in their Jimmy Jams still. So yeah, pretty chaotic and full on. That's what we like. We weren't expecting this. We're trying to find the moped hire joint. We walk down here and see them selling sharks and shit for sale, so it's good. Excellent. There's no whiteys here, I'll give you the drum. We haven't seen many The only people we've seen that are actually in Surat Thani that are not locals are people that get off the train, go to the wharf, and are waiting to get on the boat to get the hell out of the joint. So yeah, we'll have a look and see what it's like. Alright, there's the Lena, she's still coming.
My tadpoles amongst all the seafood.
Oh, tadpoles.
Oh, not tadpoles, fish.
Oh, fish.
Like little
Tropical fish. Oh, okay.
Put in the tank.
Where are we going? Left here? Alright, well I'll shut this off now. We'll go and get the bike. We're in Khanom, so just heading towards Khanom Beach. So Khanom Beach is the one that's opposite, or looks out to Koh Samui. It's supposed to be pretty nice, so we'll have a look. So this is Khanom Beach that we're on now. Samui off that way in the distance. You won't be able to see it really with the GoPro, it's a bit hazy, but as you can see, the beach is just about empty. A couple of old school resorts and stuff along here, and little restaurant diners. Lena and I are going to ride along the coast, right around to where that past that headland is. So yeah, we'll give you a look, but it's really nice. Nobody around. There's 2 or 3 people up the beach that I can see, but apart from that, she's empty and gorgeous. Alright, we'll get back on the scooter and yeah, head down the coast. Road. It's supposed to be a pretty nice ride, so we'll have a look. Just arrived at this beach. The name sort of lost me, but this is the Loma Cafe. This is where our end destination was. So you can have a swim here. Hey little ning nong. Yeah, so there's a few locals getting out and about enjoying it. Lovely spot though. That last bit of road, man, that's probably the best bit of coast road I've ridden in Thailand. If I was on the Bonneville or something more exciting than a little clicky, you'd have a blast, mate. There was hardly any cars. It was really good. I might do a bit of a series of good rides, like coast road rides in Thailand. So I've done a few of them later on, little hidden away spots that other people don't ride to. But yeah, have a look there. Oh man, this is pretty nice. Good setup. Pavilion. A couple of family groups here. The beach. Gorgeous beach. Lads over there on the tins already. Just gone 12 o'clock. And look at the beach. Look, Lena's on there and now she's the only one on there. Absolutely crazy. Such a beautiful spot. Not many people use it. Good little facility here, this cafe. Really nice. I'll see what the water's like. Lena's having a checkers. Maybe have a quick dip. Is it alright, honey? Good? Are you going in or not? Hey? Why would there be stingers here? Well, we swam in Phuket and Samui with no stingers ever, mate. Had a swim, quite pleasant. Just had a wash off over at the showers. Came over here to try and buy some more sunglasses because I lost pair number 2. Those fake Oakleys I had for about 4 days. Don't know where the hell they went yesterday, and I wasn't even on the piss, so yeah, very strange. Oh well, I might have left them on the train in the seat pocket or something when it got dark. Oh yeah, it was too. Yeah, we'll set out a plan to head back into Surat Thani. We've come around a very, very long way, but we'll go back a much shorter, more pleasant way. Rightio. Just coming back into town after our ride to the beach. 1:15. Get a bit of washing done, have a couple of beverages. Work out what we're going to have for dinner. Dinner. Yeah, this is so cool, man, down here. Look at all these old buildings, like right next to the river's on the right behind these buildings. It's like a bloody time warp.